Okay guys, so we finally made it up to the refinish department. There's going to be many facets to this video that we're going to try and explain to you guys and convey across. It's a very important process of a collision repair. It's the most visible process of a collision repair. You have to do everything right in order to ensure that you get a factory looking finish. That means no dirt, no orange peel, and a very high level of color match when you take your blends and adjacent panels into consideration. So we're going to take you along step by step and show you how it's done. Okay, so first things first, we're in what I like to call our color library. We use PPG Envirobase waterborne base coat. So this is our color bank, and we can mix everything here from Ferrari and Lamborghini down to Toyota or Audi. It's got lots of different solids and metallics and pearls, and the first step that we do when we bring the car up is get the color match, because it can be one of the more difficult parts of this refinish process. The cars have a color code somewhere within the car. It depends on the manufacturer of the car, and we go and retrieve that, and then we plug it into our computer system, and it gives us a good starting point that we can start with. But most of the time we have to fine tune that color down a little bit and get it real dialed in by eye and by hand, by adding a little more, taking out things that it doesn't need. So just like you hear all the time, in paint, preparation is everything. So that is the next step. After we get the color matched, we head into the prep shop here, and we're going to show you how we prepare these cars for paint. So what he's doing right now is sanding on the new panels for this car. They get abraded with a different grit sandpaper, because the sealer is going to be applied to the new panels, where it's not going to be over our blend panels, which are adjacent. Downdraft spray booth here, and this is what we paint everything that we paint here inside of. It has airflow that goes from the top through the floor and the bottom through some filters in there before the air gets recirculated or put back out, depending on the mode that the spray booth's in. It is also heated, and it has forced air in it to be able to dry our water-based base coat products. So we're going to hop into the paint shop here with Brett, and we're even going to hop in the booth. We're going to show you guys how this paint is applied and sprayed, and it's a pretty quick process, and he may make it look easy, but we're talking about years of experience here to be able to get that factory looking finish off the gun. way over to our detail bay for some paint correction. As we just saw, Brett laid this thing down in the booth and it came out really nice. But no matter what you do in an environment like this, the paint does come out with a few little defects that are definitely correctable. So that's what Zach is doing in here. Zach is our main detailing and color sand and polish technician around here. And he has gone over the car and he's scoured it. He's taken out any little dust nibs that he could find, any inconsistent orange peel. He's leveled all that out and now he's coming back and polishing it up. So we're going to give this thing a nice jeweled out, perfect finish. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it for this episode of the Audi A4 rebuild series in the refinish department. As always, we appreciate you guys watching. We'd really appreciate it if you drop a like and subscribe down below on this video and comment on the video and let us know what you want to see more of.